Hello, I am William.
I'm Lex.
We are Dead Gentry. We're doing a tight top 4 unboxing. We got some DIMOOs. We have some DIMOO Worlds. This one's awesome. We got DIMOO Jurassic Park, which I don't care about any of them except for the gyro ball. It's actually, they're all awesome, but the gyro ball one is amazing. I want it. That's what I'm going for.
I also like the long neck.
The long neck's pretty.
Yeah. Brontosaurus.
Brontosaurus. That. We also got a Hirono shelter. We're going to avoid the Hirono disaster from the prior video. We've got a different series. So let's go for it. Since we don't have, we'll just rip from the bottom all these, even though we don't have most of these as far as the series go. This is a very tall one. Oh, by the way, yeah, here's the options before I get into this one. Very small. Couple of secrets. So as usual, we'll go for the secrets.
I'm missing another strawberry.
Missing a strawberry? Oh no, it is.
Don't walk this way.
Yes. Silicone. A collector silicone. I don't know why, because we're going to use it when we package these items. Keep them dry. What we got? Oh, he's so sweet. Look at the cloud. The cloud on his head, or his hair, or whatever. It looks like a cloud. His hair is a smile. And then he's got some flower accessories. Or some plant accessories. This is card. He is shielded. So he just holds on to these with his hands. Okay, I see it. I see where they go. I see it. The red one goes on his right.
Coming back.
Coming back.
Wrong.
How do I get this in there? Come on, get in there. Okay. Nope. 0 for 1. These are always tricky, especially on camera, because you're trying to like show it visually, and you want it to get in there quick. It goes something like that. I'll finish it later. It goes like that. That's adorable.
Which would you get?
This guy called Shielded holding some flowers. Look at this pretty hair.
Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah.
Oh, those are those pretty leaves. Those leaves that like turn clear when they get rain on them.
Yeah.
I forget what that plant is called.
It's called Amazing. That's what it's called. It's called Amazing Plant.
It's called Amazing.
Okay. This is the DIMOO World. Yeah, these display awesome. I think. Which one? The red one's the one I'm going for. I know it's very descriptive. You're welcome. You're welcome for that amazing description. This is a tight box too. These boxes are getting tight. It's okay. I will crack the code. Kinda. It's kind of cracked. Kind of cracked. What did we get? Okay. Oh, that's pretty. He's got a little bunny rabbit up there. He got some flowers. He's like that looks like he's just chilling in some whipped cream. These ones are pretty because they got some opaqueness to it, and then some glittery paint.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's a cool display. It's nice that it's a unique like setting. He's not just sitting up, right, or sitting down. Okay, so the tree branch goes by his head. That makes sense. Let's put it where can you see it best? There you go. This is his staff. It's like Gandalf. Did that not work? Making it tricky. I can't even get into this. I'm gonna stab it. Okay.
Good job.
That's pretty. It's definitely wide. That's gonna take up some room in our display case. That's pretty.
Oh, I love that.
Yes.
That's beautiful.
Right?
I really like that.
It's a different
These
dynamic.
are DIMOOs, or is that a Hirono?
That's a DIMOO world, yeah.
I like the DIMOOs a little bit. I didn't like them so much before.
I didn't either.
They're getting more detailed now.
Yeah, I think as the series kind of progress or diversify, they're getting cooler. All right, come on. Let's go with the gyro ball. Let's go. Let's do it. Gyro ball for the win. He is having fun over there. That's what he's doing. He's having all the fun. Don't think it's a gyro ball. It's okay. No, one is a ganache. Is this Dr. Grant? That's awesome.
Yes, one is.
Right? So we went to a Greek food
Oh
and
my
arts
God.
festival today. And the Greek desserts are incredible. It looks like a humongous... No, I've not tried it.
The mousse on top is incredible.
Can I show it on camera?
Yeah, I mean, I already massacred
It's
the
a,
top
it's
of
a little
it.
massacred. It looked prettier in the beginning, but it looks like a big, like an amazing Hostess cupcake, but 40 times bigger.
It tastes like a Hostess cupcake, but a million times better.
Oh my God.
I know, shit.
Wow.
That was my reaction too. I was like, wow.
I'm done with the unboxing. I'm just
I'm
gonna
not
eat
even
that
kidding.
cake.
Best spanakopita I've ever had in my life.
Oh, that's been a couple.
It didn't even make it home.
Right. Because Grant's like me. That's not. He's not a trainer.
That's the most boringest one.
Is that supposed to be?
That's supposed to be blue.
Yeah. It comes with blue, so that's cool.
I mean, not as cool as Gyro or Long Neck.
But he looks like the Dr. Grant character, but with that, with Chris Pratt's character in Jurassic Park, or Jurassic World.
This other one's cheesecake then.
Yeah. The other one is baklava cheesecake.
Yeah, it is.
That's not bad. It's not the gyroscope, and blue's kind of cute, so that makes up for it. Okay, I forgive you. Does it knock over the camera? Silicone. Okay, let's go for the Hirono shelter. The last Hirono we ripped was very depressing, and we didn't like it. So hopefully these, at least according to the displays, are a little more upbeat, a little more in line with our aesthetic and collections. Because Hironos do have some great detail, kind of a little more diverse in their depictions. Trying to cut my finger off right there. What do we got? That's a nice bag. Oh, and silicone. Oh yeah. So much silicone. That's cute. He's like a boy putting his head through a carnival costume. The poet. That's awesome. Comes with a little fuzzy stuff there to keep it in line. Poet. That's cute. I like it.
I want to see.
It's the poet.
Ooh, I like that.
Yeah. It's cool, right? It's unique.
It's completely hidden behind wood.
Yeah, so you can, well, you can kind of display it like that, and that. It looks like he's praying in that regard because he's got his book. There we go.
I have the worst luck with those ones. I never get the ones I want.
You gotta go cases. That's where
I
it's
don't
at.
want a whole case. I
Fair
only
enough.
one or two that I like.
Fair enough.
That's
That,
kind of cute. If you have to get stuff
It
with
is
what
cute.
you don't want. At
Right.
least it's like a cute one with like an additional feature.
Yeah, this is very cute-ish compared to what we normally go after. So that's cool. Like and subscribe. Later. Here is the DIMOO with the flowers actually attached. It looks really good.
Yeah, it's really pretty. He's really cute.
He is cute. He's got a little wink.
Yeah, he's like a tiny little like
little fairy
flower
spray.
spray.
Yeah.
Yeah.